This Filipino grammar lesson is about the nasa demonstratives nandito, nandiyaan, and nandoon. These words directly answer the question nasaan or where. They describe the current location or existence of something or someone. Nandito means in here or currently here and is used when the subject is near the speaker. Nandiyan, on the other hand, means there when the subject is near the person spoken to. And nandoon is used if the subject is far from both the speaker and the person being addressed. So, nandito is here near me, nandiyan is there near you, and nandoon is over there, away from the two of us. Let's use them in a sentence. Nandito si John. Si is a singular proper noun marker for our subject John. Nandito si John. This sentence can be interpreted in different ways. John is here, or I can see John right now, or John is with me as we speak, which all mean the same. John is currently at the same place where I am right now. Nandito si John. You may also use nandito, nandyan, and nandoon for sentences in the past by using adverbs of time like in this example. Nandito sina Ro at Ashley kanina. We are using sina, which is a plural subject marker, because we are talking about two people here, Ro and Ashley. And kanina is a Tagalog adverb of time, meaning a while ago or earlier. Nandito sina Ro at Ashley kanina, meaning Ro and Ashley were here earlier. You may also use nandito, nandyan, and nandoon to ask questions like, nandito ba sa Qatar si Janet? This question indicates that the speaker is presently in Qatar and would like to know if Janet is also there. Nandito ba sa Qatar si Janet? Meaning, is Janet here in Qatar? Let's now ask a nasaan question so you'll see how nandito is used as a response. Nasaan yung posporo? Yung, which is the contracted form of iyon, is often used to replace the singular object marker ang in spoken Filipino. So instead of saying nasaan ang posporo, we say nasaan yung posporo. By the way, posporo means match. Nasaan yung posporo? Meaning, where are the matches? Answer, nandito sa akin. Nandito sa akin. Meaning, they're with me or it's with me. You may also use nandito as a standalone response. Nasaan yung posporo? Nandito. They're here. Do you get it? Next, we have, nasaan ang kuya mo? Nasaan ang kuya mo? Where's your brother? Nandito sa bahay. Nandito sa bahay. He's here at home. Let's now use nandyan. Nandyan ba si Izake? This question is often used when you're asking for someone on the phone. Nandyan ba si Izake? Meaning, is Izake there? Nandyan ba yung phone ko? Meaning, is my phone there? Nandyan ba yung phone ko? Answer, wala rito. Please note that the negative or opposite of nandito is wala rito, meaning it's not here. Wala rito. Nakita mo ba yung tsinelas ko? Nakita mo ba yung tsinelas ko? Have you seen my slippers? Answer, nandyan sa ilalim ng kama mo. Nandyan sa ilalim ng kama mo. They're under your bed. The reply indicates that the person asking is near the bed. Let's now use nandoon to answer a nasaan question. Nasaan si Aaron? Nasaan si Aaron? Meaning, where's Aaron? Answer, nandoon, kina Luisito. Kina is a Tagalog preposition that means at or toward. We already talked about it in the past. I placed the link to the lesson in the comment section. Please note that the word kina also means at someone's house or place, like our example. Kina Luisito, meaning at Luisito's place. Nandoon kina Luisito. He's over at Luisito's place. Sometimes we shorten nandoon kina to nakina. Nakina. So instead of nandoon kina Luisito, we simply say nakina Luisito. Nakina Luisito, which means the same. He's over at Luisito's place. Next, we have nasaan ang gunting? Nasaan ang gunting? Where are the scissors? Answer, nandoon sa drawer. Nandoon sa drawer. They're in the drawer. This sentence means that the scissors are located far from both the speakers. Nawawala yung salamin ko. Nawawala yung salamin ko. My eyeglasses are missing. Nandun lang yun sa mesa. Nandun lang yun sa mesa. They're just there on the table. Wala roon. Hindi ko nakita. Wala roon. Hindi ko nakita. They're not there. I didn't see them. Nandoon ba si Arnel kina Tom? Nandun ba si Arnel kina Tom? Is Arnel over at Tom's? Nandoon siya kahapon. Nakita ko siya. Nandun siya kahapon. Nakita ko siya. He was there yesterday. I saw him. Nandoon ba kay Billy yung libro ni Rico? Nandun ba kay Billy yung libro ni Rico? Is Rico's book with Billy? Answer, oo yata. Oo yata. Yes, I think so.